Enjoy your evening with Novakid. Come home. Say, come home. Come home. Wash your hands. Say, wash your hands. Wash your hands. Do homework. Say, do homework. Do homework. Have dinner. Say, have dinner. Have dinner. Play. Say, play. Play. Have a bath. Say, have a bath. Have a bath. Brush your teeth. Say, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Put on pajamas. Say, put on pajamas. Put on pajamas. Go to bed. Say, go to bed. Go to bed. Read a book. Say, read a book. Read a book. Turn off the light. Say, turn off the light. Turn off the light. Fall asleep. Say, fall asleep. Fall asleep. Great job! Learn more words with Novakid. Watch the video again and count how many times you can spot the cat. You'll find the solution in the description below the video.